Hi traders, in this video we are talking about the best place to trade Forex if you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I'll keep it purely focused on MT4 and MT5 as they are commonly called, explain why these platforms are so widely used and what makes them a solid home base for most if not many Forex traders. Let's start with MT4. Why is MT4 a great place to trade Forex? MetaTrader 4 or MT4 is one of the most popular Forex platforms because it is straightforward to use, yet packed with features, clean charts, multiple time frames, and a large library of built-in indicators and drawing tools. As you can see here, if you move over to the navigator, you can see the long list of indicators, probably up to 100 or close to 50 or more. It also supports expert advisors, as you can see here. You can add yours and custom indicators via MQL4 so you can automate strategies, test them on historical data, and tailor the platform to your own trading style. Most top Forex brokers offer MT4 access, which means you can combine its familiar interface with competitive spreads, fast execution, and the account type that suits you. Now let's move on to MT5. Why is MT5 a great place to trade Forex? Now, the MetaTrader 5 or MT5 builds on the previous MT4 with more time frames. As we can see here, we have weekly, we have monthly, more order types, and an upgraded strategy tester for backtesting and optimization, which is useful if you run EAs. Yeah, it also supports additional asset classes alongside Forex like indices and commodities, and includes extras such as an integrated economic calendar and depth of market view. With MQL5 and MT5 Marketplace, you also get access to a wide ecosystem of indicators, robots or expert advisors, and tools built specifically for MetaTrader. Now, when it comes to choosing MT4 or MT5 as your best place, the answer is simple. If you value simplicity, a huge community, and compatibility with lots of existing indicators and EAs, MT4 is still an excellent place to trade Forex. However, if you want more advanced backtesting, more time frames, multi-asset support, and newer tools, MT5 can be the better long-term choice, especially if your broker offers both and you're comfortable with a slightly more advanced interface. Now, if you want to learn more about both platforms and how to use them to trade better, you can read more about the best Forex trading platforms, including detailed breakdowns of the MT4 and MT5 features using the link in the description below. If this helped you see why most Forex traders are still choosing MT4 or MT5 as the main platform, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with which one you prefer, and subscribe to the Forex Gig and turn on notifications. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.